Oh hey, does your PC take a long time to boot up or start up? In this video, we'll show you some easy ways how to fix slow boot and fasten your PC. This is more common in low-end PCs that have less capabilities such as low RAM memory or low CPU clock speed. However, we are gonna show you some ways to fix those. Number 10. Update your PC. Check if your PC is up to date. If not, update to the latest version. Number 9. Scan for viruses. Regularly scan your PC for viruses or other threats. Number 8. Look for any battery issues, if you're using a laptop. Battery life reduces over time and needs to be replaced after a long time usage. You'll be warned when your battery needs replacement. Number 7. Upgrade your RAM. If you have your RAM size equivalent to 1 GB, your PC will experience bottleneck for that low size of your RAM. It isn't necessary to carry out this step. You can try another way if you have low random access memory. Number 6. Create paging files. If you have low random access memory, you can create a paging file on your drive. Go to Control Panel, search for Performance. Click on Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. A window will open, click Advanced, and then in the Virtual Memories area, click Change. Set custom size and apply it. Paging files, although slower than RAM, functions the same way as RAM. The applications that you use frequently are cached here, so that they will start up faster when you open next time. The paging file's speed depends on your drive's speed and driver for your drive. If you are using a hard disk drive, it will be somewhat slower than paging made by SSDs. Old drivers cause bottlenecks for paging files. Number 5. Use SSDs than HDDs. Change your disk drive to SSDs. Solid-state drives are more faster and efficient than hard disk drives. They have no moving parts unlike HDDs. This will render you higher performance. Number 4. Free up space. Check your storage usage. If it's too high, this slows down your system. Recover some space. Number 3. Enable Fast Boot. Open Control Panel and search for power options. Click on what the power buttons do and check if Fast Boot is enabled. Number 2. Disable Startup Apps. Open Task Manager and click on Startup. There, you can see some apps are enabled and has high impact. Disable those which you don't want to run at startup. Number 1. If nothing of above mentioned steps helped you, try resetting your PC. This might help you from recovering back to initial settings that might have caused your system to slow down. Hope any of them worked, including the first one. Thank you for watching.